To us that direct flights between Kenya and the United States of America are slated to start by December. This is according to the Cabinet Secretary in charge of Environment, that is Dr. Judy Wahungu, who spoke earlier in the day. Let's listen in on why this is important for transport right now.
Observing system at JKIA is that we have now fulfilled, in terms of Met services, a requirement for the direct flights to the USA. The USA required about 10 deliverables. The most important one, from where I sit as CS of Environment, was the Met services one. So now that we have fulfilled that requirement, and we are making very good progress to have those direct flights from the USA to JKIA. The question is, how soon can Kenyans be flying directly from the USA to Kenya? My colleague in transport tells me we're shooting for about December. But I will have to verify that to see what progress we're making, but shooting for December this year.
Well, from that, we want to